back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Motorola phone. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all apps. Scroll down and click on messages app. After click on messages app, click on this storage and cache. After click on storage and cache, click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system, click on reset option and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.